In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan for hardware changes, camera on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If your camera isn't showing up, stopped working after an update, or you just plugged in a new webcam, a quick hardware scan in Device Manager can often bring it back without any complicated troubleshooting. We're going to walk through the exact clicks and explain what's happening, so you know what to expect. Start on your Windows 11 desktop and press the Windows key and X together. This opens the Power User menu. From there, click Device Manager. Device Manager is the central place where Windows lists all the hardware in your PC, so this is where we can nudge the system to look for your camera again. Once Device Manager opens, scroll through the list and look for either imaging devices or cameras. Depending on your PC and Windows version, you may see one or the other. If you have an integrated laptop camera, it should appear here by name. If you're using a USB webcam, it may also be listed in this section. Don't worry if the category is collapsed. Just click the small arrow to expand it and view the devices inside. Next, right-click the camera entry you want Windows to detect or refresh. If you see multiple entries, choose the one that corresponds to the camera you're trying to use. Right-clicking reveals a context menu with maintenance options. Now, click Scan for hardware changes. This tells Windows to immediately rescan the system for connected devices and refresh the list. Think of it as asking Windows to take a new head count of all your hardware. You might notice the Device Manager window flicker slightly or the list refresh. That's normal. Wait a few seconds while Windows completes the detection. If everything is working, your camera should appear or stabilize in the list, and it should be ready for apps that use the camera. If the device was already listed, the scan can still help by reinitializing it behind the scenes. If your camera still does not appear or it isn't working properly after the scan, restart your PC. A restart clears temporary conflicts, finalizes pending changes, and gives Windows another chance to load the correct drivers at startup. Make sure to save your work first, then restart, and allow the system a moment to fully come back up. That's it. With a quick scan in Device Manager and, if needed, a restart, you can often resolve common camera detection issues on Windows 11 quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your camera back up and running.